All right, top notch football memorabilias. Box break number 92. All right, so my dice fill. Here we go. That is regular dice. All right, 1, 2, 3 top, 4, 5, 6 on the bottom. Bottom box 5. Oh, next box to break is 79. One, 8, 1. Don't say it. Starting out, we've got Dan the Man Marino and Don Shula dual auto. Thought they were out of hits. No, just joking. Yep, they're done. Ellie said they're done now. They're dried up. Next up, we got some type of oblong object. It is oblong. It's some type of oblong object. It is a football autographed by David Johnson for the Texans. David Johnson for the Texans. Not sure if he's any good or not. No way, bro. This is sick. Future Pimp Daddy. DeAndre Swift. Future Pimp Daddy without a shadow of a doubt. Dude's nutty, man. Alright, I'm out of tape. I used all my tape. Okay, so third down. Ash had him in 91. Is this 91? Oh, it's 92. Okay. And David Johnson is, let's see who this is, Texans. Texans is going to Jason Basin on the Bosun Bosson. There you go, Jay. Oops, I autographed the football on accident. All right, let's look at the Dolphins. All right, we'll do Detroit next. And Detroit going to Alley Cat. Sick hit, brother. With the Swift. Then we got Miami. And Miami's going to the Milkman. Getting milk straight from the udders. Nice Shula and Marino, right? Nice duel right there, Marino and Shula. All right, so we got Milkman. Getting milk.